Here's your directions for workplace count and compare. You will need a game board, a deck of cards, Unifix cubes, and each partner will need their own record sheet. To begin, player 1 will draw a card from the deck. Player 1 drew a card that has 10 and 10 more. We're going to build that with the Unifix cubes. So we have two 10s, 10 and 10 more. Now you're going to record that on your record sheet. So on your record sheet, you're going to find the part that says My Bugs and record it. So you're going to write 10 and 10, and then we're going to add those together. We know that two 10s is 20. Player 2 will also record this on their record sheet. They will just record it on my partner's side. All right, now it's player 2's turn. Player 2 will draw a card from the deck. Player 2 drew 10 and 5 more. We're going to build that with our Unifix cubes. We have 10 and 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both partners are going to record this on their record sheet. You're going to record it under your correct heading. So for player 1, player 1's going to record it under My Partner's Bugs. So we have 10 plus 5 more, and 10 plus 5 is 15. Now, players are going to place their Unifix cubes at the top of the game board in the correct location. So player 1 had 20. 20 is more. 20 is greater. So we're going to place it on this side. Player 2 had 15. 15 is less. So we're going to place it over here. Remember, if you draw a card that is equal, you're going to disregard those cards and draw again. All right, now we're going to spin the spinner to see who wins. The number that was less won. So player 2 won. To indicate a winner on your record sheet, you're going to circle their equation. So 10 plus 5, 1. Then clear your boards and play again. Player 1 is going to draw a card. Player 1 got 10 and 2 more. Going to build that with your Unifix cubes. 10, 1, 2. Then you're going to write that on your record sheet. Remember, both partners write it on their record sheet. So we have 10 plus 2. And we know 10 plus 2 is 12. Now it's player 2's turn. Player 2 is going to draw a card. We have 10 plus 2. These are the same numbers. So player 2 is going to draw another card. There we go. We have 10 plus 6. We're going to build that with our Unifix cubes. 10 and plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then we're going to write that on the record sheet. We have 10 plus 6. And we know 10 plus 6 is 16. And if we didn't know that, remember, you can always count your Unifix cubes. Since our record sheet is filled, we're going to place our Unifix cubes at the top part of our game board in the correct location. So 12 is less than 16. So we're going to put 16 over here and 12 over here. Now we're going to spin the spinner to see who won. All right, the larger number 1. We're going to circle that on our record sheet. Remember to continue doing this until your record sheet is completely full.